Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, the water is finally here. Here we're looking at the Highway 99 boat ramp with the water coming up the boat ramp. Boats are already putting in. There's Lori going down to take close-up video of the floodwater surging in to Lake Choke Canyon. As we fly upstream towards the bridge, you can see all the debris just rushing through. There's quite a bit of water coming through. It looks to be up, I don't know, 4 or 5 foot from yesterday. Look at all that current coming through under the bridge. It might be 6 foot up. And it's starting to spill over the banks on, if you look here on the right, you can see it starting to spill out into the sloughs. That is a beautiful sight. Good to see all this water coming into Lake Choke Canyon. And it's going to flow like this for days. On the north end of the lake, the river contains the flow. Now, as you get further down south on the lake, the water will start flowing into the flats and the creeks and starting to spread out towards the dam, so it will start filling up from there. We won't see the water come over the banks up here, but down where the river meets the lake level where it's at right now, that's where you're going to start seeing the water going out and filling into the bushes and start filling the lake. But with this amount of water, hopefully you can see a dramatic increase in the level of this lake. And looks like Friday we've got some rain coming, so that will help boost it. I don't know what the estimated total gain foot-wise is going to be, but it's been rumored to be about 10 foot, and that would be incredible. An incredible boost to this lake. And we've got a rainy season coming up with hurricane season. Maybe this will be the boost that Lake Choke Canyon needs to get going, and then with some good rains, we can fill this lake back up, help the water supplies, help the wildlife, help the bass fishing, and get Choke Canyon back on the map. Hope you enjoyed watching this drone footage. Sure appreciate you watching. And until next time, stay safe, stay dry, and tight lines.